Ever tried to make a video by yourself? Kinda tough. Ever watch a video with bad quality footage? Not the worst thing. But have you ever watched a video with bad audio? Immediate skip, no longer interested. Let's talk about it. For real, filming yourself is a struggle. You're on your own, you're trying to make content, you're running back and forth, you're going to check the focus, fighting bad audio, juggling all your gear, and somehow you're supposed to make it look good. Hey, you mind coming and helping me make a video?
Dude, yeah, I'm out on the slopes right now.
Are you busy? No worries, I got it. Hey man, got a chance to help me film a video?
Hey, no, I'm working right now.
Yeah?
Then going to the park later.
Okay.
And
Have fun. If you're a solo creator trying to level up your videos without losing your mind, I've got 5 essential tools to help make your filming alone much easier. Let's dive in. First up, my go-to setup, the Canon EOS R paired with the RF 24-70mm f2.8 lens. Now, why this combo? Because when you're filming alone, you don't have time to constantly be switching lenses. And I picked the 24-70mm lens over the 15-35mm lens, which I'm filming on right now, or that 70-200mm that I have, because it lets you go from the wide 24mm up to that 70mm range. So you're getting wide shots if you need to at 24mm where you're talking to the camera. Then you can move to that zoomed in cinematic shot, get some B-roll if you need to without changing out your lenses. Having that range between 24 and 70mm covers the majority of shots that I could ever need to get on any given day. And I went over more on this lens that you can check out in another video, and why I think it's one of the best options for you as a solo creator or a hybrid shooter that you can check out up here. But you can't go wrong with some good L series glass. Next is to pair this lens with a good mirrorless camera. And I've gotten so familiar with all the buttons and dials on this camera, so I don't have to look at what buttons I'm pressing. But if you want to learn more about getting to know the modes and settings on your camera, leave a comment below if you want me to make a video on that. I've been using this camera for quite a few years now, and for good reason, because it's a great camera. But also, Canon's dual pixel autofocus is on point, literally. It can track faces, or you can use it to select eye tracking for sharper focus. So no more out of focus shots where you look like a blurry potato.
What are you looking at, you hockey puck?
It's so good actually that while making my other video, it kept wanting to track my little drone guy in the background instead of me, but seriously, it's really that good. If you want pro looking shots without hiring a camera crew, this is the setup that I would go to. Any mirrorless camera you pick in the last 10 years is going to be a great option for you. You ever watch a video with bad audio? It's the fastest way to make people click away from your videos. Audio is over 70% of the watchability of your videos, so having good audio is more important than the video image quality. The image quality just adds to the quality of your video as long as you have good audio. That's why I don't rely just on the camera microphone, and you'll see a lot of creators with these microphones on their cameras. Getting an external microphone for your camera will improve the audio quality, and that's why I got the Rode Video Micro. It's small, it's compact, and doesn't need batteries for it to work. And immediately makes your voice sound clearer filming with this, even when you're shooting outside. Just mount it on top of my camera, plug it in, and being a directional microphone, it's not gonna pick up noises from the side of it or behind it as much. It's going to be more focused in the front. Now, another audio option you can get is a wireless system. This is the DJI Mic 2 setup. Now, you can check out more in this video I filmed here, but this will allow you to be away from the camera or put the mic on your shirt or jacket and just pick up your voice and not anything that's outside around you. You'll be able to get away from the camera and still pick up good audio. It's perfect for vlogging, sit down videos like this, or even capturing better sounds in making B-roll. Okay, so this is an interesting one for filming yourself. Apart from having a screen to monitor what you're filming on your camera, unless you have an app that allows you to see what you're filming on your phone, you're gonna have to find another option. The DJI Raven Eye lets me wirelessly see what my camera sees on my phone. So I can be away from my camera and still operate it without guessing what's going on. I can still change settings, tap the focus, all of that from the DJI Ronin app connected to this little Raven Eye system, which I just connect to my camera. No more guessing if I'm in frame or running back and forth to hit record, running into the position, realizing my head's cut off, I just mount the DJI Raven Eye, connect it to my phone, and I've got a live feed of my shot. So whether I'm setting up for a video or shooting with a gimbal, which is what this is specifically made for, I can make sure that everything looks good before I hit record with this setup. Now, if you're filming outside, this one is important. You ever notice how good videos have that smooth, blurry background, even in bright daylight? That's because they use ND filters to control the exposure and keep their shutter speed set for the best natural movement in the video. This Polar Pro Helix Maglock VND is one of the easiest ones to use because it's magnetic. Snap it on and off in seconds. On, off, on, off. Now I have a base mount on every lens, so I can switch to the lens that I'm currently using without threading anymore. Every time I'm filming outside, this is on my lens to keep that buttery cinematic look. Now, I used to thread on filters. I was that guy, but not anymore. Outside in the daylight, the filter's on. Walk inside to a darker area, filter comes off quickly. No more threading around, messing with your filter, and I'll have all these tools down in the description, so be sure to check them out. Now, when you're filming solo, you'll need all the hands you can get, and since cloning yourself isn't really an option yet, I use these two tools, the Small Rig Magic Friction Arm, which can hold anything, your phone as a second angle, a mic, even a small light, exactly where you need it. No weird balancing acts trying to hold all this stuff. The Arca Swiss capture clip lets me snap my camera on and off my tripod, to my backpack, to my gimbal instantly. No more twisting it on, unscrewing, just click and go. You can check out this video where I show how I've got it set up for more on that. Filming alone doesn't have to be frustrating. With the right tools, you can shoot high quality videos without needing an entire crew. If you're a solo creator, these 5 tools will help you save so much time and stress. Let me know in the comments which one of these that you think would help you the most. And hey, if this video was helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and I'll see you in this video next.